Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Skip to My Lou in your piano. Okay, so let us check first the stuff. So we have G clef. So it means you are going to play with your right hand. So the next stuff is still G clef. Okay, so we don't have left hand there. Now, first note is, this is E. So E, E, C, C. So first you need to read the note first before you're going to play. Alright? So again, E, E, C, C. So word is choose your partner. Okay, how to play choose your partner. So let's go to piano. Now this is E, right? So C, D, E. Okay, so again E, E, C, C. Okay, choose your, and then C, partner. Okay, choose your partner. Now next, skip to my Lou is again same. The first note to play is E. So remember how to read notes. If the note lies on the first line, okay, first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Okay, so first line it's all E note. Remember? Okay, so we have only notes over here. E notes. Okay, so E, E, C, C. Below the staff, with the first ledger line below the staff, is C note. Okay, again remember, ledger line below the staff is a C note. Whatever note lies on the first ledger line below the staff, it's called C note. Okay, now again, let's play E, 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 C, C. Okay, so choose your partner, then go to E, 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 G. Okay, skip to my, okay, skip to my, and then go to G, Lou. Okay, so this note you are going to play a little bit faster. So if I'm going to count the rhythm, 1, 2 and 1, 2 and then stay for 2 counts, 3, 4. So how to play that? Again, it's E, 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 and then G. So like this. So skip to my, and then go to Lou, stay there for 2 counts. Okay, so this is how to play the notes. That is 2 counts, stay there for 2 counts. 1, 2, and then release. Okay, so again, from here, choose your partner, skip to my Lou. Alright, so again, choose your partner, skip to my Lou. Okay, now we go to the next one. Next one is choose your partner, skip to my Lou. Is it the same note? Is it the same from the start, from the beginning of our piece? Is it same? Look at the note. First line, and the next one is below the first line. So it's different. So if the first line is E, you will go down. That is, yes, D. That is D. Okay, D, D. And then, is it the same? See, look, ledger line, so it means C. This note is below the ledger line. So letter before C is what? Yes, B. Okay, so we play D, D, C. Okay, so, no, sorry. D, D, B. Alright, so D, D, and then B. Okay, so choose your partner. Okay, now let's play from here. Choose your partner, skip to my Lou. Okay, Let's start with the note, right? Okay, so choose your partner, skip to my boo. D. Choose your B partner. D. Skip to my, go to F. Ooh. Okay, so we already finished the first staff. Okay, we have second staff again. So next staff is it the same? Yes, it is the same. See? You will go back again, the same note with your first staff. We go to the second one, same. And this one is it the same? Yes, it is the same. What about this one? Is it the same? No. Okay, so it's not the same. What is this? You are going first line. What is the letter? Yes, that is E. And then you go to the next E, F, then E again, and then going down D. Okay, so D, E, F, E. So how to play that? You go to D, D, then E, E, F. Okay, so D, E, F. So if we're going to count 1, 2, and yes, and then back to E, then D, then the last note. So is it the same? No, definitely no. So we have the C, 2 counts, and then we have the same C again, 1 count, and this is a quarter rest. Okay, what does it mean? Quarter rest, quarter note, so it means you have 1 count to rest. And double bar means finish. Your song is finished. You need to end your song. Whether you like it or not, you need to end. That's the meaning of the double bar. Song finish. Okay. Now, so let's play the skip to my low. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it slowly. Alright? So I'll start. E, E, C, C, E, 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 G. Next. D, D, B, B, D, 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 F. Next line. E, E, C, C, E, 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 G. Next. D, E, F, E, B, C, C. Alright? You got it? Wow! Wonderful! Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, I'm going to play slowly. Okay, so you need to read the note first. Okay, read the note, not the words. Read the note first. Then after that, if you are already familiar with the notes, say the words. Okay, so let's start again with the note. E, E, C, C, E, 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 G, B, D, B, B, D, 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 F, E, E, C, C, E, 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 G, D, E, F, E, D, C, C. Good job. Now let's start with the words. Okay. Choose your partner. Skip to my boo. Choose your partner. Skip to my boo. Choose I'll show you how to play. Alright? So remember, say, okay, I'm going to say the words now. Okay, I'm going to sing the melody of the Skip to Mellow. Are you ready? Okay. Now let's start. Choose your partner, skip to my blue. Choose your partner, skip to my blue. Choose your partner, skip to my blue. Skip to my blue, my darling. Good job. That's how you're going to play Skip to my blue. Alright? Now, next video, I'm going to show other piece. Happy? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.